guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uchiro. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your post notification. If you've been here before, I love you so much. Thank you for your support and we really appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a bus in Dublin. I already did the video. I did a couple of days ago, but I said I was going to tell you about the leap card, what it is, how to get it, and all of that. So I decided to just do a quick one and pop in. Yeah, so that was it. So your leap card is what you use to get you can use it on the bus, you can use it on the train, you can use it on the tram. The tram is also called luas. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So the tram is also called luas. You use it for we've not used the tram before. We've only used the bus and the train. All of us came, we're using cab everywhere. No more. They not tell us before we went to go outside. So the cabs are expensive and the train. Okay, so like the difference now, let me tell you. Okay, so like if you use the cab to where you will use a cab to, that would cost you maybe 17 euros. If you use the bus, it might cost you, if you're paying with cash. So there are two ways to pay for the bus, either cash or card. So if you're using the bus, it might cost you like maybe 3-4 euros. But if you're using your card, the card has a flat rate of I think €1.60 or thereabouts for each per trip. So it has a flat rate. Wherever you're going, you just tap your card and then you're done. If you're using the bus, if you're using train, you tap on and tap off. If you're using the lowest, you tap on and you tap off. Let me say tram, before I've been saying rubbish. If you're using tram, you tap on and you tap off, like that. So for the leap card, you can either get it online or like we did, you can get it at stores. There are some registered stores that sell them. So the card itself is about 5 euros thereabouts, because the first time we paid 20 euros, 5 euros for the card and then 15 euros for top up. So it's like a recharge card in Nigeria. You have to be not recharge card, but anyways, you have to be topping up every time. So once, okay, it's like for those of us that use prepaid meter, yeah, so it's something like that. I'm trying to think of something I can use too, but anyways, it's a prepaid card. So you recharge it regularly. So you go, you recharge, you can pay, put 15 euros, 20 euros, do you understand, and then use it for your trips. When you tap it on the bus, you hear a sound. If there's no money again, you hear boom, 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 boom. And then if there's money, boom. There are different types. There's one for adults, there's one for children. Children is 5 to 17. And then there is for students. There's also, I think, personalized cards or something. I'm not very sure about that one. What I'm sure of is adults, children, and students. So you buy it for yourself. So any child under that age doesn't. The child doesn't need the card for it. Yeah. So there are two ways to pay on the bus. Either you pay cash or you use your card. And if you're paying cash, you have to have the exact fare, because the buses, they don't give change. So if you're using cash, like before we got this one, we're using cash. We had this small coin bag. I think it's always coins. I don't know if they take notes. And most of the fares are usually 2 euros, 1 euro, so it's mostly coins. And since you are going to have to pay the exact fare, it's coins. So when we just came then, and now eventually started using the bus, we didn't have this card, so we're always using. So we had this. So we had this small bag for coins. So we'll not get on the bus and we'll say we're going to so place. How much is it? Do not tell us it's 3 euros. We'll not start counting. So very annoying that time. We now start looking at it. Is this 1 euro? Is this 2 euro? We now try to select the thing and then pay. So basically, you can pay with cash, but you have to have the exact fare because the driver is not going to give you change. And then, or you can pay with your card, tap on, and you're good to go. You sit down and everything. And you're getting down from the bus. Remember to say thank you. I don't say thank you, ciao, because I'm very shy. Anyway, so that's it. So you're supposed to say thank you when you're getting off the bus, when you're getting on. You don't have to tell the driver you're going to, and all of that. So all of that is in the video. Let me not talk too much. All of that is in the video. And then for the train, when you get to the terminal, there are, before you can get to the platform, you have to pay. So you tap on and go to the platform, enter the train. When you're coming down, there's a button at the door. That one we almost juiced. So we got on the train. So when you want to get on the door, there's a button at the door that turns green. So you tap on it, the door opens, you get on. And then when you get to your bus stop, at each bus stop, they stop at every bus stop. So when you get to your bus stop, it will stop, the door will change to green, meaning you can tap on it, open and go down. So we thought that when we get to the bus stop, the bus door will just open. So we got to the bus stop now, the door did not open. And so we're still trying to, okay, what's happening? Before we know, okay, it's like we have to press the button. So we press the button, the door opened and we came down. After they will carry us go another man. So anyways, so that's how it works. And then when you get off, you walk down to the terminal. I think that's what they call it. From the platform, you go to the terminal, you tap off for the train. So you get there, before you exit, you tap off. If not, I think if you don't tap off, the card will keep reading. I think that's how it works. I'm not very sure. And then for the bus, they collect just a flat rate. I don't know if I've said that before. They collect just a flat rate of like 160 euros. So for every trip, that's what they collect. For the train, when we used it, they took about 2 euros, maybe 2 euros and some cents. So it's just small money here and there. Whereas if you are using cab, you know you're going to be paying. Okay, so like the day we took the train, we were not planning to take the train. So if you watch the video, it's not very in depth. We went to get our IRP. We went to register for our IRP card. That's another video for another day. That's your Irish residency permit. So we went to register for that. But we're already running late, or we thought, we're running late because the bus we're going to take a bus. But for some reason, the bus did not come. So we had to take a cab. So when we got there, the cab, it charged us like 13 euros, about between 13 to 17, I'm not very sure. But let's say 13 euros. But the train charged like 2 euros each, so like 4 euros. You can see the difference. So some places you are going to bus or car, car would charge you like 17 or 20. If you are using bus, it's just 1 euro. So yeah, that's the benefit. Basically, it's cheaper, a lot cheaper. I actually enjoy using the bus here. It's safe, it's neat, it's organized. So yeah, so that's it about that. Taking a bus in Dublin. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave you now. Watch the video, enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what kind of videos you like to see. And yeah, Happy New Year in advance. Hope you have fun. Love you. Hello my people. So we're going to be doing a how to take a bus in Dublin video, and also shopping with me. So I'm going to the store to get some last minute things for Christmas, and I decided why not show people how to take a bus in Dublin. Yeah, so I'm going to the bus stop now. My house is really close to the bus stop. It's like 2 minutes walk from my house to the bus stop. So what I usually do is I use Google Maps to check the time, because the buses have, okay, that's not my bus. The buses have scheduled times. So I usually use Google Maps to check the time the buses will be coming. Just cross the road. So, but because I want to do this video, I left my house earlier. So usually when I check the time, I would leave the house maybe like 5 minutes or 3 minutes before the scheduled time. But because I want to do the video, I left earlier so that I can get here talk a little, and then you can see the bus stop in front. It's not far, and then be on my merry way. So I'm just going to wait at the bus stop until my bus comes. I don't even know how long because I couldn't find it on Google Maps actually. So yeah. So at the bus stop, most of the bus stops have this guide, so you know the buses, where they are going to, the times they make their stops, and their different stops along the way, where they are going to, and all of that. So for today, there's usually a pole here that shows the estimated time of arrival for each bus, but I can't see it today, and it's not this side me. But on the other side, there is a pole there that has estimated time of arrival. But according to Google Maps, my bus is supposed to be here in about 2 minutes. So I'm just going to wait for that and see. Yeah. So I would pause the video now and then start again when the bus arrives. So that's my bus coming. In order for the bus to stop for you, you have to flag it down. If you're just standing at the bus stop, it's not going to stop. So when it gets here, I'll have to flag it down. If not, it will just move past. So let's wait for it. It has stopped at a traffic light. So it's a little bit delayed though. But yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to get to me. And then I'll bring out my card. This is the card I use to make payments, your leave card. I'll tell you all about that when I get home. There's an automated voice that calls the various bus stops, and then when you get to your stop, you press the stop button and you come down from the bus. There's also a screen at the top. I don't know if you can see it. There's a screen out there that shows the various bus stops, and then the automated voice calls out the bus stops. So when you get there, press your stop button and then come down. So we are at our stop. Someone has already pressed the stop button. You can see bus stop in there. But I'm still going to press it. Just, because I can. Done. So yeah. So when the bus gets to the bus stop, we're not at the bus, there's a traffic light. So once we cross the traffic light, we stop and I'll come down. See you on the other side. So I'm down from the bus now and I'm heading to the store. There are usually a lot of people coming down here because the place is very big and quite a lot of people come here too. That's why by the time I want to press the stop button, it was already, someone had already pressed it. So that's what we're going to do. I'll see you on the inside because I have to pass the pedestrian bridge and cross to the other side. See you all later. Okay, so for the train, are you gonna? This opens. And then up you go.
That's different. But we're supposed to press on too. I
But-
thought it was carrier.
I was supposed to press it back for it to close it. I say next up with that stuff.
That's like what we're doing.
I'm saying we never look.
But we'll this one never touch you.
This butter stamp seat. So I'm just touched down. Up now. Hey, you hungry again? You on crossroad?
Hello everybody, I hope you like mommy's video. Like and subscribe.
Yay!